How much do you value good customer service? That should be a question you ask yourself all the time if you're running a business. You can have the best products and services. You can have a great logo. You can have a great location to sell those products. But if your business doesn't have good customer service, do you really have anything? In order to run a successful business, you must have good customer service, and you should always be thinking of ways to build relationships with your customers. We here at DecoNetwork want to give you tips and tricks on how to thank your customers for their business and build those relationships even further. If you want your customers to feel appreciated, the list below will help you do just that. In the age where technology reigns king, what better way to surprise your customers than with a handwritten note? This is a relatively cheap way to say thank you to your valued customers. If this sounds like something you would be interested in doing, take the time to write a thank you note saying just that. It doesn't need to be a long message, something short, sweet, and to the point. We've all experienced a rude phone call on occasion. Those are inevitable. But we've also experienced our fair share of pleasant phone calls that leave you in a good mood after you hang up. If you're lucky enough to get a pleasant phone call from one of your customers on occasion, let them know. Tell them how much you enjoyed their conversation. If you thought the conversation went well, odds are so did they, and they'll likely want to speak with you again at some point. Lots of businesses give gifts to their customers. When you bag up an order for a customer, slip in the occasional gift. Whether it be something small with your branding on it, or something more thoughtful that is dedicated to a specific customer, this is a fantastic way to build relationships to keep their business. If you own a print and embroidery business, this is my personal favorite idea. You should always place a high level of importance on wanting to do business in your immediate community, and there is arguably no better way to do that than to support their interests on a day-to-day basis. Local sports teams are always looking for sponsorships. If you choose to go this route, you're not only getting your business recognized at every high school football game, but you're also becoming a small part of the team. Odds are this will lead to business in the future, and it's business you can expect to be around for many years to come. No matter what kind of business you run, you're likely always going to have a handful of customers that come back more than the rest. It's customers like these that you can target with freebies and birthday specials to keep them coming back for more. If you're bringing in a consistent amount of business, make one of their orders free every so often. You can also find out when their birthday is and offer free services on that day. And that can apply to any of your customers. If your business runs a website, and we sure hope you're using DecoNetwork to do so, leave an open spot where you can feature some of your top customers. Next time you speak with one of them, ask them if they would be interested in being featured on your website, and ask them to write up a small review. When a new customer comes across your website, they're likely trying to find out as much information about you as they can. If they come across some of your customers leaving good reviews, then odds are they're going to choose you to do business with. It's a win-win, not only for you, but to have your customers know that you value their opinions enough to list them on your own website. Our final suggestion to you is to start a loyalty program. This is similar to offering free services, but opens it up to anyone and everyone that does business with you, depending upon how often they're coming back for more. Create different stages that your customers can reach. This will be more enticing for your customers to come back to you for another order rather than going somewhere else. If they know that they are always just a few steps away from getting something in return, they'll likely come back. In order to have a successful relationship with your customers, the love must go both ways. If your customers are showing you love by buying your products and services, make sure you're returning the favor in some form or fashion. We hope these suggestions help you form better relationships and also help build new ones. Please feel free to leave your own suggestions in the comment section below. We thank you for watching. Managing and growing your print and embroidery business can be challenging. DecoNetwork software is designed to give you all the tools you will need to manage and grow your apparel decoration business. From custom quotes, online orders, to integrated product catalogs, and even a production management system, DecoNetwork simplifies your day-to-day workflow as well as your customers' buying experience.
Visit DecoNetwork.com to learn how you can implement DecoNetwork into your business.